Alisha. Thank you for sharing this, Pamela.
Hi everybody.
Hey.
Hey, so I got a job for signing order. It's for Friday. And it was they put it out for $100, but it's tomorrow night at 8 o'clock. So I counter offered and asked for 125 and they said yes. So
Do we see? Do we
yeah,
see? Do we see? Miss
yeah,
Alicia know her stuff now. She can count her. I
yeah, I count.
deserve more.
Yeah.
They could feel it when she asked for the money. Would you have felt as confident before, really digging into your training and stuff,
Yeah, nope, I wouldn't have felt confident enough to ask for more money. Because I would have thought, I'm being too greedy or, just whatever. But I'm like, it's 8 o'clock at night. And hey.
I loved it. I loved it. And congratulations too.
Thank you.